जीवन धारा योग है, योग से सहयोग है, हर मन का सवेरा योग है। योग में विज्ञान है, विज्ञान में भी योग है, योग दर्शन है वो सुख, ये जीवन धारा योग है। सौंप दो खुद को इसे, योग के मंदिर में जो कैवल्य धाम है, कैवल्य धाम है, जो कैवल्य धाम है, कैवल्य धाम है, कैवल्य धाम है, कैवल्य धाम है, जो कैवल्य धाम है, कैवल्य धाम है। भारत की प्राचीन धरोहर है यो, ऋषि मुनि की तपस्या का फल है यो। भारत की प्राचीन धरोहर है यो, ऋषि मुनि की तपस्या का फल है यो। देश को विदेश से एक आध्यात्म से जोड़ती उस प्रथा का नाम है यो। सौंप दो खुद को इसे, योग के मंदिर में जो कैवल्य धाम है, कैवल्य धाम है, जो कैवल्य धाम है, कैवल्य धाम है, कैवल्य धाम है, कैवल्य धाम है, जो कैवल्य धाम है, कैवल्य धाम है, कैवल्य धाम है, कैवल्य धाम है, जो कैवल्य धाम है, कैवल्य धाम है।
कैवल्य धाम ऐसी एक जगह है, ऐसा एक तीर्थ स्थान है जहां पर योग को पूजा जाता है। हम कहते हैं विश्वची माझे घर, कुटुंब वसुधैव कुटुंबकम जो हम कहते हैं उसको संस्कृत में। लेकिन यदि विश्व मेरा घर है तो घर में रहने वाले सभी लोगों की जिम्मेदारी मेरे ऊपर है, तो वो लोग इस बात को माने जिसको हमने पहचाना है, इसलिए उसका विश्लेषण भी होना चाहिए। तो यदि ये सभी चीज एक जगह अपने को मिलती है तो मैं मानता हूं कैवल्य धाम है।
Kaivalya Dham, a beacon of yogic traditions, has not only preserved ancient knowledge but also made it relevant for contemporary lifestyles. Kaivalya Dham is one of the world's oldest and truly the most comprehensive institution of yoga, with services that encompass research and publication, education and training, and healthcare and yoga therapy. This institution sought to scientifically assess yogic practices and apply them to produce conscious and healthy humans for global peace. The inception of this institution was destined in the hands of a young man during India's struggle for freedom from the colonial powers. This man was Jagannath Ganesh Gune, a freedom fighter from Gujarat, inspired by visionaries like Sri Aurobindo and Lokmanya Tilak, and a disciple of Paramhansa Sri Madhav Das Ji Maharaj. Jagannath Gune took it upon himself to re-establish the credibility of yogic practices by dedicating his life to yoga research. As he evolved into a yoga scientist, his popularity grew and he assumed the name Swami Kuvalyananda. Yoga Mimamsa, the first ever peer-reviewed scientific research journal on yoga, is a formative milestone in the development of Kaivalya Dham. This groundbreaking journal paved the way for disseminating cutting-edge research on the physiological, psychological, and therapeutic effects of yoga.
With the objective that whatever research is conducted at Kaivalya Dham should see the light of the day and should go far and wide throughout the whole world.
The culmination of years of effort and dedication has resulted in the creation of a unique library, Sandeepani, solely dedicated to yoga and allied sciences. Kaivalya Dham's philosophico-literary research department has been on a mission to uncover and preserve rare manuscripts, and their discoveries are nothing short of remarkable. Supporting the philosophico-literary research are the quantitative studies conducted at the Scientific Research Department. The foundation of scientific research was laid by Swamiji himself. The results of such studies conducted at Kaivalya Dham were showered with praises by laureates such as Rabindranath Tagore and J.C. Bose. The Scientific Research Department is currently devoted to researching the positive impact of Bhramari, Shitali and Anulom Vilom Pranayama on cases of hypertension, and other yogic kriyas like Jalaneti and Dhoti on cases of allergic rhinitis and migraine respectively. It is also involved in studying the gene expression of diabetic patients. The institute utilizes the dual practices of Ayurveda and naturopathy to achieve the internal and external purification of an individual. The environment and therapeutic services of Kaivalya Dham have benefited one and all. From national heroes to current spiritual leaders have all visited Kaivalya Dham and appreciated it for its research and preservation of ancient wisdom.
Right from Mahatma Gandhi ji to Pandit Motilal Nehru to Madan Mohan Malviya ji to Dr. B.R. Ambedkar himself, later point of time Indira Gandhi herself, Morarji Desai, Dr. H.V. Kamath, so on, and then you come forth, you have Dr. Karan Singh. Recent most you have many political leaders, eminent people.
I will repeat only what Swamiji said. Yoga has a complete message for humanity. It has a message for the human body, it has a message for the human mind, also it has a message for human soul. Will young people with their energy and intelligence come forward to carry this message not only in India but every corner of the world, which is happening today.
As Swami Kuvalyananda rightly said, our responsibility at Kaivalya Dham is to carry the flame of yoga in its unadulterated form and benefit the global citizen. Celebrate the rich heritage of Kaivalya Dham and spread the light of yoga to every corner of the globe.